Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanner to diagnose your car problems quickly and easily? An OBD2 scanner is a small tool that plugs into your car and shows what's going on inside. It helps you read engine codes, check for problems, and see how your car performs. You can even save money by spotting issues early before they get worse. With so many choices out there, picking the right one can be tough. In this video, we'll show you the top OBD2 scanners, what they do, and how they can help you take better care of your car. Let's get started. Our fifth pick is the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner Code Reader. It helps you find engine problems fast. Just plug it in, turn on your car, and read the results. This tool can read and clear engine codes, show live data, check IM readiness, and display your car's VIN. It works with most cars made after 1996, including US, European, and Asian models. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 supports 9 OBD2 protocols. It does not need a battery or charger, since it gets power from your car's OBD2 port. The large 2.8-inch LCD screen is bright and easy to read. It's small, light, and simple to use. Whether you are a car owner or a mechanic, this tool can help you fix issues quickly. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 is one of the best OBD2 scanners for anyone who wants clear results and fast answers. It has a solid customer rating of 4.6, which shows that most buyers are really satisfied with the product. Our fourth pick for the best OBD2 scanner is the Autel AL319 car scanner. This handy scanner quickly reads and clears car trouble codes, turns off the check engine light, and displays live data to help spot problems early. It works with most cars made after 1996 and supports many languages. The plug-and-play design, bright color screen, built-in speaker, and LED lights make it easy for anyone to use. With one-click I/M readiness testing, you can check your car's emissions in seconds. It also comes with a 12-month warranty and free lifetime updates. The Autel AL319 is a smart, simple, and durable choice for both car owners and home mechanics. This OBD2 scanner has earned over 25,300 reviews. Remarkably, 76% of reviewers gave it 5 stars. The third product on our list is the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Scanner. This car scanner works with both iPhone and Android through Bluetooth. It helps you read and clear over 7,000 car problems, including ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS codes. The BlueDriver does more than read codes. It gives you detailed repair reports, shows possible fixes, and lets you watch live data while driving. Its wireless design means no messy wires. Just plug the sensor into your car's OBD2 port and scan with the easy-to-use app. There are no subscription fees, and updates are free. You also get step-by-step repair videos and 24/7 tech support. It works with all gas vehicles made from 1996 and newer. If you want to keep your car running great, the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Scanner is one of the best OBD2 scanners you can buy today. Our second pick is the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. This car scanner is a simple, fast, and easy-to-use tool that quickly identifies the reason for your check engine light and clears the error in seconds. Trusted by mechanics like Scotty Kilmer, this scanner delivers quick and accurate results without needing a battery or charger, as it draws power directly from your car's OBD2 port. You can read live data, check I/M readiness, and view freeze-frame info easily. Compact yet durable, it features a bright screen, responsive buttons, and a thick, 2.5-foot flexible cable. The ANCEL AD310 supports all OBD2 protocols and is compatible with most vehicles from the US, Europe, and Asia. Manufactured after 1996. It has a solid customer rating of 4.6, which shows that most buyers are really satisfied with the product. One customer named Michael Roberts shared his experience after using this OBD2 scanner.
Fantastic value for the money. I've used OBD2 readers on the cheaper end before that unfortunately only give the code number, leaving you to have to look up what the actual error is. These show you ahead of time. I used this to successfully diagnose O2 sensor issues in my TJ Jeep, and after changing them have driven over 1,000 miles error-free. Would buy again, as it is in a sweet spot of value for money.
The last item on our list is the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 Scanner. This tool is great for both car owners and mechanics. It helps you find and fix engine problems fast. The NT301 reads and clears error codes, turns off the check engine light, and shows live data on the spot. It works with most cars, SUVs, light trucks, and 12 volts diesel vehicles. You can also view graphs, check IM readiness for smog tests, and get your car's VIN in seconds. The 2.8-inch color screen is clear and easy to read, and the simple design makes it easy to use. It also comes with free lifetime updates. Trusted by many mechanics, the FOXWELL NT301 is a smart, accurate, and durable choice for anyone who wants quick and reliable car diagnostics. This OBD2 scanner has earned over 28,800 reviews, and we're about to share one with you.
Works great. Needed live data from my upstream O2 sensor, and after reading over the manual, I was able to pinpoint the issue just fine. It connected a lot quicker than L expected too. I had a P0130 upstream and P0456 code. The live data also reflected that the upstream sensor needed to be replaced. I changed my canister purge valve and the P0456 cleared, and so did my P0130 after replacing sensor. Easy and accurate.
And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best OBD2 scanners. Each of these tools offers reliable performance, accurate readings, and easy operation to help you diagnose your car like a pro. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a mechanic, these scanners can save time and money. Choose the one that fits your needs best and keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you're into car hacks, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.